to finally finding peace. Few months ago, Rohan approached me on Instagram with a problem. He was newly married, living in Bangalore with his wife. His mother felt he had changed after marriage. His wife felt he wasn't taking a stand for her. He was stuck in the middle, trying to keep everyone happy and slowly losing himself. He wasn't a bad son. He wasn't a bad husband. He was emotionally exhausted. This is something I see so often in Indian marriages. Men who were never taught boundaries, only responsibilities. Instead of blaming his wife or his mother, Rohan chose to work on himself. He started his inner child healing journey with me. We worked on his childhood conditioning, emotional triggers, guilt, and people pleasing patterns. As he went through the healing process, he began to understand why the situation was affecting him so deeply, where his reactions were coming from, and how much of this wasn't about his wife or his mother, but about unhealed patterns he was carrying. And once he completed his journey, this is what he had to say about the experience.
I've recovered a lot. I've changed. There were a lot of changes in me. The way I react, the way I receive the things. I used to take everything to be very personal. When my mother says something, when my brother says something, I used to react a lot.
Hmm.
But now nowadays I'm not reacting. I'm just staying silent or I'm just responding. Yeah, it makes me feel very light actually. I used to react a lot. I used to get emotional. I used to like what you said, taking responsibility for others' emotions. But now the way that she or he is reacting, I can't do anything about it.
Correct.
All I can do is stay, keep control over my emotions.
Correct. Correct. So, do you
So
feel peaceful inside your mind?
yeah, I feel peaceful.
After completing his sessions, this is what he sent me on WhatsApp. He told me that he is no longer constantly triggered. He is prioritizing his mental health and is finally finding peace. I know there are so many Rohans out there, men who are stuck between their parents and their partners, trying to keep everyone okay while silently struggling inside. It is easy to blame others, but very few people choose to take actions for their own healing. From being torn between his wife and his mother